In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to 301 redirect domains and links in Weebly. Whether you're looking to redirect your entire domain or just specific links, this guide will walk you through the process effortlessly. First, we need to access the Weebly platform. Open your web browser and navigate to Weebly's website. Enter your registered email and password and hit the login button. You'll be directed to your account's dashboard, giving you an overview of all your sites. From here, you'll want to move to the site that needs the redirect. Once you're on the overview page, locate and click on the Edit Site button. This action will take you to the Weebly site editor. It's here that you have access to all the tools needed to make your site truly yours. In the site editor, you'll see a menu bar running across the top with various options. You'll want to click on the Settings tab. This section houses all configurations related to your site's operational parameters, making it the perfect place for our next steps. After opening the settings, look for the SEO option and click it. The SEO section focuses on optimizing your site for search engines, and it's here that you'll make lasting changes to how your links behave. Within this section, scroll down until you find the 301 redirects option. This is where you'll be building your redirects. To start creating a redirect, select Add Redirect. You'll be presented with fields to input your existing links or domains. This is the source, essentially what you wish to redirect. Enter the current URL you'd like to redirect from, ensuring there are no typos, as this could break the redirect. Next, you'll find a drop-down icon near the input field. By clicking this drop-down, you'll see options for where you can redirect visitors. Choose the appropriate destination for your old links. Whether you're pointing to a new page on your site or an external website, it's important that the destination accurately represents where you want your users to land. Once you've entered the original link and selected the destination, go ahead and click the Save button. This will finalize your 301 redirect setup. By saving, you ensure that visitors trying to access your old link will be smoothly navigated to the correct new location. It's a vital step in ensuring you maintain user experience and search engine optimization. And there you have it, you've successfully created a 301 redirect in Weebly. It's a straightforward process, but an incredibly powerful tool for managing site traffic and preserving SEO rankings. Whether you're rebranding, updating pages, or restructuring your site, using 301 redirects ensures your visitor path remains clear and uninterrupted. Thanks for following along, and good luck with optimizing your Weebly website.